In this video, I'm going to show you how to find extended pistol mag in Once Human. So this is actually the location where you can find it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So if we take a look at the map, as you can see, I'm up here in the Blackheart region, okay? This requires levels 52. However, if you just want to come over here to get this, you can do it with a lower level. As you can see, I'm level 43, so I'm 9 levels away. And I just teleported to Blackfell and drove up this road. It's very safe. And I came over here to this location over here. If you look at it, to the right of this teleportation tower over here on this kind of sandy plateau, okay? And now, in here in the middle, there's a bunch of doors. What you want to do is come over here and then play this radio first on the ground, okay? Just listen to it. And then it's going to play some music for you. And then what you want to do is click on this dummy over here. Click F and then press investigate. The doors will light up, as you can see, and you want to walk through these doors that have the sheep next to it and are blue. And when you walk through them, a loot crate will spawn in the middle. Then you want to go to that middle spot over here and loot this box, and when you open it up, as you can see, I just got an extended pistol mag. So simply press F to claim it all, and that's literally it. That's how you get extended pistol mag in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.